Just want to take this quick moment to basically just I wanted to thank my aunt because she pretty much got our whole family over from Vietnam to America, and without her, um, I wouldn't have this opportunity to do what I do. And the crazy part when you talk about connecting the dots is my aunt was the one that bought my uncle his truck, and many years later my uncle was the one that trained me, and they gave me my chance. But you know rest in peace to my aunt. I love her so much. And who in your family is just that rock? You know what I mean? But I'm out here in the Bay Area in California, and I just wanted to thank her. And I just sometimes I get into these deep thoughts, and I just love you guys, and you guys are my family as well. And so I just always want to tell you guys what I'm feeling. But yeah, we lost a good one recently. And yeah, I'll be back full effect making videos on Monday. But I'm out here in the Bay Area, and today's our funeral, and I just had to take some time to show my respects. But the time we have on this earth is very short. Do some things you enjoy and love what you do, and find a way to make some money doing it, right? So, Mother Trekkers, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for giving me purpose as well. But we'll be back into it full effect very soon. But just wanted to share a personal moment with you guys. Thanks.